Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 29th March, Nifty ends this week at 22,326 and Bank Nifty at 47,124. And as per our previous video, we expected some up move in this week, but at the same time, we expected that around 22,200 to 250 there is a possibility of rejection. So if the price get rejected here 22,200 to 250 and expected that this can be A, B and C to proceed down. But the market not rejected here, but instead the price moved fast to 22,500 plus and at the same time gave a surprise move at the end of the market hours by declining around 200 plus points. In Elliott wave terms, what is the possible price action in the coming weeks? And we are going to discuss the alternatives with reason. Okay. So I'm marking this wave count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and this is 3, 4, and 5. Okay. If it is 5 wave completion, we can get a ABC decline. Okay. A, B, and C. So in hourly chart, okay, if you check in hourly chart, it is a 5 wave decline. So it is a possibility of wave A, the first wave of decline. That's why we are marking as A, B, and C. But the key thing is, if the wave A has 5 subwaves, the upcoming correction is a zigzag. In a zigzag, the B wave will not retrace to this level. Okay, this is very important. In a zigzag, the B wave will not mostly retrace to this level. Okay, so this is not probably the zigzag now. I'm going with the process now step by step, right? So I'm not marking it as a zigzag now. So what is the possibility? Can it be a flat now? Yes, it is possible, but there are 5 subwaves in the wave A. In a flat, we should have only 3 waves. And in flat, the B wave may move here. That is acceptable. That's why I'm taking that flat correction also consideration. Yes, it is possible, but anyway, we will discuss this option later. So this is not a zigzag now. It can be a flat, but this A wave has 5 subways. So for now, I am not going to take this as ABC. Okay, because it is not a zigzag because of B wave and it is not a flat because of A wave. So this is not ABC. So what it can be? It can be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Why? Because this wave 2 can retrace to the 100% of the starting point of wave 1. That is a possibility. I am talking only based on Elliott wave terms. If this is the starting point of a decline, okay, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something we need to get. If it is not a ABC, what are the other options? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this retracement almost reaches this starting point of the correction. The only possibility now is wave 2. So if it is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is bigger wave A and we are leading to a bigger correction. But I am not expecting a bigger correction because in Nifty we are in just 3 of 3, I believe. Okay, either we have completed 3 of 3 here or we are still in 3 of 3. That means there is no bigger correction now. If you see our previous videos, even though we are in a corrective period, we are bullish only. That is what my statement. So let's see. So if this is the idea, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is also, I'm not going to follow this, because if this is the case in Bank Nifty, hope you remember the trend line. Okay, this is weekly chart. See, if this is the start of a new decline, definitely this price will come below this level. If Bank Nifty comes below this level, this entire bullish structure is questioned, right? But we are expecting a possible more upside in the Nifty. So still Nifty has more upside, and I'm not going with this bigger correction also. So what is it possible now? I'm going with my primary view of expanded flat. I will also see the reason for marking these counts. That will be a good understanding for everyone. So this is ABC, that is 1, 2, 3. This is ABC of this fourth wave. Okay, right. Right. Why this count? Because my primary assumption is this is wave 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. This 3 of 3 is not yet completed. This is my primary assumption. So I'm going with this count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So this is one option now. Why? In A, B, C wave will have 5 subwaves, and ABC is ruled out. So this is a possibility of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Right. Since the B wave retracement is not convincing, I am changing only to the wave 2. So wave 2 possibility is, if I go for this is the starting point of correction, we will have a bigger correction, and I am not expecting that. Even though if we have a correction, we will have only a small correction. That too will settle at 21,100 to 21,000. This is what we're discussing for a few weeks now. So still the primary view is open now, because this wave cannot be the wave B, and it can be only wave 2 now. I said the reasons also. So this is possible now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in expanded flat. Okay, so that as usual, whatever we discussed in previous week video will be applicable for in this week also. That is, in a Bank Nifty, this is wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Okay, or wave 1 here, whatever. And ABC, this is what I'm following for the weeks now. Hope you remember this endpoint of correction we analyzed. Okay, and this can be some sort of leading diagonal, because of I should have some sync with the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So it can be wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. As I said in my previous video, the retracement reached very important zone of 61.8% in Bank Nifty. Okay, in a leading diagonal, mostly the wave settles at 50 to 61.8%. But the thing is, we cannot see a proper 3-wave decline here. But the price already reaches 61.8%. There are some confusions in the market now. Okay, we need to wait for some more confirmation. So that's why I said it can be A, B, C. So the price may come to this level or little below this point. That's what we discussed in previous week. Even now it is possible, because the price stopped at the 61.8 only. Okay, this retracement so far looking like a ABC only. Okay, ABC. The price rejected at 61.8 only. So this can also be ABC. Okay, we will watch the levels. I'm just explaining the concept, how by following the process, how we are going to count this move. Okay, so this can be ABC. But if you remember, in previous week video, I said that the broader markets are moving from very important zone. While the price declining, I said that 14,000 to 13,850 is the important zone, and the price exactly got support at 14,085, and the price almost moved 15,300 plus. Or we completed the correction here in broader markets, because I can see a clear 3-wave move here, and the price turned exactly from this point. But if the Nifty and Bank Nifty comes lower, what will be the situation in broader markets? That's why I said there is a possibility of broader markets may come lower but will not make a new low, but Nifty and Bank Nifty may make a new low. Okay, we discussed this in a previous week. And frankly, I expected some complex pattern may also develop in the broader markets. Suppose if the market declines, you need to see this level in small cap, approximately 14,900. Okay, 14,900 levels, this top, this candle top. Okay, if the price comes below this level, we need to be cautious, and if the price moves below this level, there are higher chances of making a new low. These are the levels should be watched if the price declines. Okay, in mid cap 150 also it's A, B, C, and if the price declines, you should be careful if the price comes below 17,400, and if crosses below this level 16,800, there is a higher chance of making one more lower in mid cap 150. But the first level is we need to watch is 17,400 levels. Mid cap 150, it's not 100, 150. All these view is based on if the price declines. Okay, there is a possibility of a decline is still there. That's why I said in my previous post in Twitter that if the price makes an all-time high in Nifty, okay, if the price makes an all-time high, the count should be changed. What is that count? So this fourth has been ended here, right? And this is wave 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and 3 of 5 to proceed. Okay, this is the view, and I shared the same idea in the Twitter yesterday. Okay, but the price at the near all-time high, it not just stopped, actually it fell very hard in the last hour. So that's why it gave a surprise again. So that's what we need to wait for some confirmation in coming week. If make a all-time high, I will go with this plan. If the price makes a all-time high with gap ups and moving fast, remember this, if the price crosses all-time highs with the gap up or fast nature, and this count will be applicable. This is 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and 3 of 5 may proceed because I'm not convinced that the impulse has been completed here. Okay, yes, there is a possibility of some pullback, but we need to see where the pullback stops. As we said in the small cap, mid cap, this is hourly chart. If the price declines, the initial level of cautious is in Nifty is around 22,175, this breakout zone. Okay, and crossing below this zone, 22,875, this is rough number. Okay, this low is 21,884 something. Okay, please check in your chart. So if the price declines, okay, if the price declines on Monday, Tuesday, and crosses below this level of 22,175, we need to be little cautious on this 1, 2, 3 may proceed, that is this count. Okay, this is one possibility. We need to be cautious, and it can be confirmed if the price crosses below this second line, that is around 21,875. Okay, but instead if the price moves higher, crossing the all-time high with the gaps, right, and fast price action, we can expect more highs in the Nifty and in markets, because Bank Nifty stopped at 61.8%, and broader markets also reversing from an important support zone, and mid cap also reversing from an important support zone. So considering all these factors, this view also is possible. Okay, that is what I said in my previous video. Considering the broader markets is reversing from most important support points, we need to think how this price action may develop. Okay, So if we lower down and see, even if we check 1 2 1 2, so for example, let us check on, so the primary level is 22,240. Okay, if the price stops already, it reaches 22,263, and if it comes lower in shorter term, we need to check whether it stops at 22,240. Okay, so 22,240 and it moves higher. Okay, so if the price stops at 22,240 and make a all-time high, yes, we can go with this move. In worst case, we need to check the 22,175. Coming below this level only, we need to be cautious, and going below this level around 22,880, okay, there is a higher chance of 1 2 3 4 5 to 21,500 and 21,100. So we need to check what will happen on coming week. Okay, this is the update I want to share with you. So if the price makes the all-time high, we can have a conclusion that third wave started, but the price surprisingly fall hard, not just stopped. Even it stopped or went sideways also, I primarily go with this move. So these are the update I want to share with you. So if Nifty turns from 22 to 40, or the worst case 22,175, and makes all-time high, there's a higher chance of 1 2 3 and more highs are possible in the markets. I hope you like this video, because not only sharing the idea, and if I give the reason for the idea, Elliott waves can be understood very easily. Instead of marking 1 2 3 4 5, if I said the reason for it, why I am not marking it as B wave, because the B wave will not retest like this. So I take the option of 1 2. So both are corrections. So if it is 1 2, what is the case? If it is a starting point of decline, we should go for a bigger decline. But now I'm not expecting that. So what will be the smaller decline? So I go with an expanded flat, because the C wave will have 1 2 3 4 5 subways. So giving the reasons will make you to learn or understand Elliott waves in very practical way. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if you want to learn the Elliott waves in more practical and easy and more approachable method, you can subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for your support. I received many direct messages and comments appreciating the work, and many people learned the Elliott wave concept in very practical way and easy way. Thanks for sharing your opinion. We'll meet you in one more video. Happy weekend. Take care. Bye.